Hello everyone, today let's have a review on our touch mobile monitor ThinkVision M14T. This product is designed for the people on the go, and it can help users to improve their productivity while doing mobile work. All the parts out of the box are here. 14-inch touch monitor M14T, 1 meter USB C2C cable, L-shaped dongle, active touch pen, sleeve, quick setup guide, package. The first point of this monitor is light and slim. How slim it is. How light it is. Now let me use it. There's no need any extra stand or bracket. What I need to do is open the stand, then put it stand on the table. That's it. With this design, the tilt angle can be easily adjusted, and if the height is not enough, there is a height adjustment foot to make it higher. Now let me move to the cable. Actually, there is only one cable in the box, but it's enough. M14T can get power from compatible notebook or smartphone via full-function USB-C connection. The monitor can be placed at either side of the notebook, no matter the user is left-hander or right-hander. If the notebook cannot supply sufficient power to the monitor through USB-C port, what should we do? Don't worry. With an external power adapter connected to another USB-C port of the monitor, then the power adapter can power the monitor and charge the notebook at the same time. This function is called power pass-through. M14T has a 14-inch Full HD screen. The display has 72% NTSC color gamut and 300 nit brightness. You also can turn on low blue light to protect your eyesight just via one key. While reading some documents, the M14T can be used at vertical mode. The screen can be auto-rotated, and there is no need to install any software or driver on user's notebook. While reading, I also can do operation via 10-point finger touch function. If the document needs to be modified or remarked, the active touch pen is a good assistant. The battery should be installed correctly while the first usage. For the usage of this pen, it can support 4096 pressure level, and it can help users sign electronic contract, draw pictures, and take notes with different thickness of hand drawing. For more stable position, the M14T can be inverted with stand open, just like this. If the user don't need touch, there is a simple version of the mobile monitor from ThinkVision. It's called M14. The last thing, there is a default sleeve to protect the monitor. The active touch pen can be put into the loop at the side of the sleeve. Okay, that's all the introduction of our mobile monitor family. I believe you will like them. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.